Oh, this is some crazy music. Alright, hello. This is gonna be a late shader art stream. Alright, this is day 9 now, day 10. March 2nd, 2020 shader art stream. Hold on, I'm just opening up my shader viewer. Alright. And it's a black screen because it's still on Subnautica. There we go. Alright. So this is our shader viewer. Renders GLSL shaders. We also use it to capture screenshots at the end. This is gedit. This is our text editor. We're gonna edit some shader code and make some art today. We do this every day for an hour here. It's gonna be fun. So to start, we've just got a flat, solid green screen. So it's outputting there. 1 green, 0 red, 0 blue. I try and normally plan something out for these, but I have no idea what I'm gonna do today. So let's just start with some blocks. Let's do recursive detail blocks with randomized values with hashes. Okay. So this is going to be, I've done something like this with Voronoi before, but we're just going to do this with a blocky floored hash. So to start, or the way we're going to do this is we're going to do this with layers. So we'll set this up with a for loop L. We're just doing one layer to start. S is going to be our output value. We're just going to initialize that to 0. It's just going to be a sum to begin. And then we're going to sum a hash, or the values from a hash. Okay, actually, we need to get our random coordinate first. So C is going to be our coordinate. We're going to floor the UV, and we're going to multiply it by L so that it's a different size. I'll multiply it by L and multiply it by 4 so that it at least has 4 blocks. So each loop, it's going to get smaller details because floor will turn this into a block. You know what? For the sake of visualization, let's show it without floor to begin. So now I'm doing this swizzling and multiplying by this value just so that it's a bit randomized. You know what, I think we can just do it like this. Declared identifier sum. Oh, I did sum instead of S. Okay, so this just does noise. If you add a floor, quantizes it to single values, it turns it into blocks. These are mirrored because of the actual way this algorithm works, which is actually something I don't want. So we're going to add 1,000 to this, so that it's now not mirrored because it's offset a giant amount. So now let me show what happens when you have multiple loops and it gets smaller details. And now that we have multiple iterations, we need to scale it down because it has too many values. So now you get this level of detail effect where it's like, oh, this should actually be offset by L as well, so that these are different each time. So then, if we do this 10 times, we should actually get a decent amount of detail. And we need to multiply it by 0.1 because it'll be too much. Yeah, so this looks like a badly compressed image actually. Now that I look at this, it's interesting though how it gives almost a smooth effect here. Maybe it's not being offset enough, maybe I'm missing something. But I really didn't expect that to give a smooth effect even with the quantization. If the offset is doing that. Oh! Alright, now let's try multiple levels of detail. Alright, so there's actually a few things we can try. We can try making this negative, so they actually subtract from each other as well. We can also try doing a scaled L like this, so it actually increases much faster. Why is it black? Oh, it's so interesting how GLSL doesn't throw errors when you have duplicating variables. There we go. Now that's probably too much. Alright, now I'm thinking what I can do with this. This honestly isn't that cool. I could try something like this with different colors. So there's this little line here, I'm almost wondering, is that smaller level or... Alright, let me try something else. Let's just try doing things a bit differently. Okay, this is something. Cool, so that makes like God rays. Ooh. Now let's try scrolling along. Oops. That's not where the scroll is supposed to go. So that's almost like backwards God rays. Huh. Try making the scale of this bigger. Whoa. Yeah, I actually like the smaller scale better. Look at this. I wonder about adding colors. It's just black and white right now, but I kind of want to do something colorful. So that's God rays. Alright, now... Alright, I got a good idea. We can just flip a switch now and this has color. Boom. Colored God rays. Now let's try adding curve to this, so it actually makes them... Oh. It's supposed to be a Vec 3. Yeah, so now it actually has proper red, green, blue colors. And then what we could do is we could actually filter out some colors, doing max 0 times 2 minus 1. So now half will get filtered out. And it should create an awesome... It should make some of these black, which should also make other ones look brighter. Yeah. So now that a few are black, you can actually see the ones glowing way better. So then, if you up this ratio way more, Oh yeah, you get these glowing pillars of light. So they're predominantly red, green, blue because of the odds of this, the way the hash is working. The way to fix this would be to use HSV, use saturation value. I might do that. This is cool though. Yeah, I think this is what I'm gonna go with. You know what? I almost kind of like it with the plain red, green, blue. And then you get these other colors like orange mixing in from the side. Let's try it with HSV just for the sake of it though. Oh, I wonder if I should convert to HSV or sum the HSV. We'll try both. By summing these and then converting to HSV here. Oh, so the hue is mostly 0, as you can see from the red. That might be because of the curve here. And the saturation and the value also seem low. Here, let's try it with no, just with raw hash values. Okay. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to do yeah, the proper way to do this is do HSV to red, green, blue right here. Still not scaled correctly. So that looks correct actually. That's alright, we're gonna try changing power curve for each value separately. By turning the hue down. So that makes it better, more rainbow. Nope. You know what? Okay. I'm gonna try using these hash values differently. I think I'm going to do a constant saturation. Yeah, so only the value is actually going to have this this mask. Does oh, perfect. Okay. So now we turn the saturation down, and this should be, yep, all colors. So I'm almost thinking increase the saturation or add a little random value to the saturation. We'll see. Oh, and there's like a few black values as well. Or maybe negative. Yeah, I don't know. I like it better with less colors. Or sorry, more colors and less saturation. That's good. Let's try making it brighter and then doing gamma correct now. Ramping the time ahead so that that black artifact isn't there. Yeah, I think that's too much. I'm not sure if it's better brighter or darker. What if I created another sort of moving effect? like a separate hash or something. Oh god. Whoa, that's interesting. So it creates new ones as it destroys them. Oh, so they fade in and then fade out. It needs to be a triangle wave. Instead of fract if it needs to fade in and out. Oh, that's cool. Wait, and then if we added L onto there, so now it will change color as it goes through the layer, and you should get this like moving effect. Yeah. The light's actually moving. Alright, probably want to scale these separately now that I look at this. Yeah, oh my god. Well, there we go. Let's see if we can actually make these a little bit longer. Oh yeah, that's the effect I'm looking for. Where they cycle on and off smoothly. Oh yeah. Boom. There we go. What to call this? Let's try with different time speeds. Oh, I could also change the frequency of this based off so now some move fast and some move slow. Yeah, I think it's actually better with varying speeds like that. I think I'm going to call this Cyber Sky. Because it's kind of like a sky, but it's not really. It's what I imagine sky in VR would look like. Alright, we're going to take a video of this. Oh, I don't think it's hitting 60 FPS there. Hold on, I'm gonna let it rest for a second. Let my GPU rest. Because this actually is a decently expensive shader. It's just brute forcing. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, one thing I could also do is reset it. Alright, there we go. Screen recording set to 4 seconds. We'll do a 7-second one this time. And man, Twitter, sometimes I've noticed the Twitter videos are very high quality, and other times I've noticed Twitter videos are just garbage quality. I'm honestly not sure at all how to get good quality. I think it's just luck. So there we go. While we're like this, we'll do a big resolution wallpaper shot. I wonder if I should do multiple versions of these with different colors. I guess I could do 2. Yeah, I can do another one with different colors. You know what, they're actually like basically the same. Well, they're not basically the same, but they're close enough that I don't think it's worth posting to. Alright, there we go. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, okay. So this is day 10 of shader art, Cyber Sky. This is our procedural shader for March 2nd, 2020. Okay. Well, that is it for our stream today. I hope you guys enjoyed this shader programming. I'm going to be doing one of these each day, so if you like these, be sure to stick around. Even if it's at the end of the day like this, I'm going to try and get these shaders in. I don't really have a set time that I do them each day, it's just whenever I have time I go on for an hour and make one of these procedural shader scenes. Thank you for watching, I hope you have a good evening, and I will see you around. Thank you for watching.
different. Simple are in another realm. I mean, it's flirting with fucking death itself.
It is dangerous. It is very, very dangerous.